All right, we're gonna try to do a crispy crust pizza, cottage cheese pizza, and I'm gonna tell you what the ingredients are. I'll put them in the description, but I used 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, 2 eggs, 1 cup of oat flour, and 1/4 cup of Panko. This stuff right here, Italian style Panko, just 1/4 cup. And also 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Spread it out thin. I did not blend the cottage cheese in a NutriBullet. I only blended the oat. I mixed it, I stirred it all in. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 370 for 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip it, I'm gonna cook it for 10 more minutes, flip it, then top it, then broil it. So let's see how this turns out. All right, after cooking it for 15 minutes on one side at 370, I turned it over. I cooked it another 15 minutes at 370. Then I pulled it out and I started topping it. Then I put it in on low broil for a good 10 minutes. And I added some tomato sauce, turkey, pepperoni, and mozzarella. And it looks done. So I'm gonna let that cool off before we cut it. And hopefully it's firm and has the consistency of pizza, not soggy. I don't think it's gonna be soggy. All right, got it out of the oven. We'll let it cool. It doesn't feel crispy, but it doesn't feel very soggy either. So we're gonna just try cutting it here. It could be the best pizza yet, though. How are we gonna cut this? I'm gonna try to cut it into maybe some smaller pieces. I could have shaped it round, but right now I just do what I got. Okay, just cut it down the center. Those end pieces seem like they're really good. Okay. All right, so now the test. Is it fully crispy? No, you can't hold it by the end. It's gonna sag a little bit, but it is firm. It is firm. It looks like a Elio's pizza. I didn't go overboard on the sauce this time. Let's try the end piece here. I think this turned out my best yet. Best pizza yet. Yeah, this is really good. I think my wife likes it. I'm gonna try to get her to eat it. So I'm gonna put the recipe in the description in this video. But I'm gonna keep on trying to make it real crispy. I think you gotta spread it much thinner and get it to cook faster maybe. But this is not bad. Tastes actually like pizza. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe for much more videos and also my training videos. Check it out.